Wonderful. It's day 10 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge, also using DCA to buy PHT and other meme coins. So as you can see, BNB is still pumping, and apart from BNB, like some tokens on the BNB chain are going crazy right now, like the Asta and other stuffs like that. Like, damn, something is going on. Okay, so now let's quickly buy PHT. Okay, so don't forget, this is 90 to 100 days challenge. Let's see what's gonna happen within this 90 to 100 days. So I'm gonna click on swap right now and buy some PHT, and after that we are gonna buy another meme coin. So don't forget, most of these meme coins we are buying, they're on the Binance Smart Chain, because the challenge is dedicated to Binance Smart Chain meme coins. So we are buying meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain, and let's see how far we can go. All right, so I'm gonna buy 0.005. Okay, and click on swap via OKX. Confirm. Confirm. So after now, we are going to go to desk screener to copy the contract address for the next meme coin we are buying. So as you can see, BNB is now $1,080. So when we started this challenge, BNB was actually below $1,000. So it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is massive. Okay, so we now have almost 900 PHT. So by next week we'll have 1,000 plus PHT. So we are progressing. We are pushing forward. So now I'll go to the screen now. So the next meme coin we are buying is this. Wow, Water Rabbit. I'm gonna copy the contract address. So but before then, let's look at the chart. So as you can see, this is a daily time frame. So Water Rabbit is actually around the support level. Okay, so we're going to buy now. Okay, and let's check out. This pair was created 3 years, 1 month, 24 days ago. So Water Rabbit has been created over 3 years ago. Damn. So the current market cap is 100K. That's the current market cap. And if we look at the monthly time frame, we can see that it's yet to even surpass the previous all-time high price. So this was the previous all-time high. So it's still below the previous all-time high. So now let's go back to OKX. I'm gonna click on BNB, swap, USDT, paste. Wow. So I'm gonna type 0.002. Okay, that's $2 worth of Rabbit. Confirm. Continuing transaction. Confirm. All right, so that's it for today. Okay, so we've bought PHT, and we've also bought another meme coin, War. So we have 2,000 plus War meme coin. Okay, so let's keep going, guys. Let's keep building. Let's keep accumulating. Okay, so it will all make sense very soon. All right, so when we started this challenge, BNB was less than $1,000. Nights over $1,000. So now most of these meme coins that we are buying now, before we end this challenge, you might see some of them might pump like crazy, and you'll be like, wow, what's going on? It will be like magic. Okay, so that's just it, guys. Until next time, peace out.